Hi everyone! In this short video, one of our affiliated locksmiths is going to show you how he is decoding a 4-door cylinder with a key reader tool. This procedure is one of a few ways to regenerate a new key and usually being used when no key codes are available. This procedure requires a special key reader tool and experience. Before we start, we would really appreciate if you can like this video, and of course if you need any help you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith near you.
Hello everybody, we're trying to decode a Ford door lock. This is the direct reader that pretty much will tell us where the wafers are and what the position of the wafers is. So once we have it in the door lock, we're going to try to feel out all the wafers and see where everything is. So right now, I'm getting tension for 1 through 5. So 5 is going to be 2. Let's see if 7 is here. 7 is not. So 5 is 2, 3 is 2, 1 is 1. Let's do 2, 1, flip it around. And then we got 6 is going to be 3. 4 is going to be 4. And 2 is going to be 3. So 3, 4, 3. Complete.
That's it! I hope you like this video and would really appreciate if you can give us the thumbs up, and thanks a lot for watching.